度係 Westminster Lola's 嘅 cupcake 啦，有。而家我出閘先啦。而家咧要去Dungeon啦，好興奮啊！仲有15分鐘就要遲到啦，係咪好正啊？原來呢度就有 Horse Guards Parade 喎，你睇下幾正幾正幾正！今日有 Trespasser 咧，就無啦啦中咗入去呢個 Circle Line 嗰度咧，導致到 Circle Line 咧係喐唔到嘅。然之後咧，我哋而家行緊去 London Dungeon 度噃，咁我見到London Dungeon 啊，係呢個景點咧都幾貴嘅，係。咁咧，我哋咧10點要入去啦，唔知會唔會遲到啦。London Dungeon 隔離咧就係 London Eye 同埋 London Aquarium 啊！哇！我喺度住咗1年咧，都冇搞過呢啲咁樣嘅活動喎。咁然之後咧，已經喺度落雨咯，係咯。
Now, you might notice I don't have any footage from inside. That's because filming isn't allowed when you enter the dungeon. They want to keep the atmosphere a surprise for everyone and of course respect the actors and the performance. So instead, I'll just share my thoughts afterwards. My favorite part was definitely the Jack the Ripper section because at that time in London's history, I was actually living nearby where those events took place. It felt so real and chilling to experience that story inside the dungeon. Overall, it's dark, funny, scary, and definitely unique. If you like history with a spooky twist, the London Dungeon is worth checking out. I'm super excited because I'm visiting the Harry Potter studio tour here in London. If you're a Harry Potter fan, this is literally a dream come true. Let's go inside. As soon as you walk in, you can already feel the magic. The very first thing you see is the Great Hall, one of the most iconic sets from the movies. It looks exactly like the films with the long tables and costumes on display. I've been looking forward to this for such a long time. I can't believe I'm finally here. This place is absolutely magical. Everything feels so real. It's like stepping into the wizarding world. The level of detail here is just incredible. I feel like I'm part of the movie right now. It's even more amazing in person than I imagined. Wow, this is so impressive. I did not expect it to look this big in real life. This gives me chills, it feels so iconic. I literally grew up with these movies, and now I get to see this with my own eyes. This brings back so many memories. I feel like a kid again, walking around here. It's such a dream come true for me. I could stay here all day just looking at everything. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you have to come here at least once in your life. This is definitely one of the best experiences I've had in London. Hogwarts Express. And of course, here's the Hogwarts Express. You can actually walk inside one of the carriages. It's such a nostalgic moment if you watch the films growing up. Now we're walking down Diagon Alley, where you can see all the famous shops like Ollivander's and Weasley's Wizard Weezers. The street feels alive, just like in the movies. The whole tour takes about 2 to 3 hours, but honestly, you could spend the entire day here if you want to take everything in. It's totally worth it for any Harry Potter fan. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.